Hello, hi, it's Karen here from by Boho. I'm sharing this quick preview for this digital kit. Really enjoyed making it with these soft pastel colors. I've added a lot of extra bits and pieces, and I'll just go quickly through the pages just so you can see what you can create with yours. Obviously, it's never gonna look the same. I don't think I can make any two looking the same, but is just an idea. This is just a little bit that I've stamped this word journal with a rubber stamp onto a fabric, and I had it lying around for some time, and I thought that's the perfect book to add it as a mini pocket, so I can put these two bits here. This kit comes with these book pages, but also with background pages, so you can print on the back of each page. So it's double-sided print and all the colors are matching, and you can use these pages with a lot of other projects you're working on. This is just if you're going to create this kit as is. So there are pockets that are included, and I've used one of the background pages and I've trimmed it into pieces to cover some of the envelopes backing and just to create little tags. This didn't work quite well, but I still like it. I tried to tea stain it after printing, but I still like the result, so I kept it here. So these are some of the pages. This is one of the background pages. Same here, another background page. All these bits also comes with this kit. So yeah, that extra page I've printed, I've used to cover the back of the envelope, and with the extras, it's extra sticking. And with the leftovers, I've just added this into the envelope as a mini card. Some mesh that I've tea stained. So it's a quite large book. Usually I make them much smaller, but I wanted to make slightly bigger this time. I've bound these 4 tags together because they are the same size with this paper flower, and with this bit I just went through the hole and I flipped it through. Here's another envelope. I've added one of the labels here, stuck one of these cards here, and again I've used some of the leftovers in here. Love this mini bird tag here. You can use it for many things, but I just wanted to add something to the page, so I stuck it here. More tags here. Added a little bit of feather here because it was just matching the colors of this page perfectly. Large rose here. You know me, love my roses. So basically the background pages, I think there are 3 or 4, so I've run it through the printer a few times, so I think 2 or 3 of each to cover the back of the inner pages. So I just chose them one by one. It took me a bit extra time to print everything, but I just knew I got it exactly how I wanted. So the way that I've aligned the pages together and I arranged them, the colors are matching. So it's worth spending that time when you're sending to print, and not just send to print and forget about it. So I pay like full attention when I'm printing mine. And an extra pocket here. With this bit here, I've stitched one of the cards around, and I went for the easy option of binding. Many do approach me and ask me how to go about this, so I keep it very simple when I'm binding mine. So after I arranged all the pages together, I'm clipping, no, that's not that. So basically I'm clipping each side, and then I'm punching 2 holes here, and then I've just put some mesh through, which was also tea stained, and then that's basically the easiest option to bind pages instead of either sewing or start sticking them. And I love these extra beads here on the side. Thank you so much for watching. I will add a link to the comments for this listing on Etsy. Thank you.